terrible. I woke up not too long ago. I didn't get much sleep last night because I was packing all night, because this morning I am going to Puerto Rico with a couple of my chi-chis, and I'm really excited. It's okay. Yeah. Right now I'm just sitting on my roof. I need to definitely moisturize my legs because they are super ashy at the moment. Very ashy. Hey guys, so I forgot to tell you that I actually made it to the hotel. Right now we're actually getting dressed and ready to go. I would be inside, but they are playing music that could easily get copyrighted. Oh my god, the mountains here are just so amazing. But yeah though,
yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You
okay, so we're headed out to get something to eat. And what are we gonna eat? We're gonna eat some tacos and tequila and hookah and other things. Nice. Where's the shirt from?
The shirt is from JUAN. This is from the thrift store and this is from the thrift store.
That's really cute. Those are giving Marc Jacobs Daisy, okay? Okay, someone forgot an item.
This is from somewhere in Europe. My mom got this.
Oh wow, that's really dope. I love it. Yeah.
Pero hice todo este llanto por nada. Ahora soy una chica mala. And now you kicking and screaming a big toddler. Don't try to get your friends to come holla, holla. Ayo, used to lay low. I wasn't in the clubs.
So guys, the restaurant I'm at right now is actually called Nacho Libre. I haven't tasted it yet, but I'm in the bathroom right now and it's actually pretty nice. It makes me feel like I'm on an island, getting off, golden brown tan, looking cute. And that's the vibes the girls are giving, because that's what I'm giving. And I know I am. Period. So we're getting tacos, guys. And I think I'm gonna try. Yeah. So let everybody tell them what you're gonna get. I want to get the pescado tacos. Or maybe do they have quesadillas? I just ordered my tacos. I got fish tacos and some street corn because it just seems like a vibe, you know? I love street corn. And the fish tacos come with spicy mayo, which is also my fave, so this should be good. Having a nighttime walk. Do you guys see the view? I know you see it. It's just amazing, I know. Like, wow. Have my hands ready. Like the places, you ever seen Cheetah Girls when they were in Spain, when they were in Barcelona? Same vibe, you know, Barcelona. Let me sing you a song, guys. Oh, you guys know the song Live? Yes. You know the song, Kishi? Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, let's check it out. older are we talking here?
We talking about granddaddy, like
For real? Like 50?
no, not I mean
40.
not that damn old. Like
So 30. 30 not old really, because
40,
we're almost there.
30. I'm 23.
And 40.
Beat that part out.
40-year-old?
Beat that part out.
No.
That's how I feel too. You don't talk too much. That was me. I already talked too much. I told the people everything. Like,
No, but like I feel like older people can teach you new things and like okay,
My
like
daddy teach me. I don't need nobody older.
not your daddy, like
okay,
I don't want nobody older. I don't want no older
stop being
person.
boring. You gotta experiment some
More.
more.
okay, boring is like you telling me what to do like you my daddy. That's boring. But if it's like you're older and you're the only, like you're older and you have money and you have everything established and then you like me, let's go shopping. Just kidding.
I haven't got the older experience.
So we were supposed to be doing excursions, but unfortunately the booking company is like nowhere to be found at the moment. And hopefully the booking people get it together, honestly. But I'm gonna show you guys my outfit of the day. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so we figured out the excursions thing, and we are going at 12 o'clock, and right now we're going to CVS so we could get some water shoes, and I really want to buy some shorts because I can't wear just bikini bottoms at this time of the month, you know? So now I have to buy some shorts so I can enjoy everything. Like, I have to get in the water today. I hope.
This is in English, thank you.
We're currently at this Mexican grill called Lupi's.
Without COVID, girls, without COVID, this is a very lively area. Like I was telling the ladies earlier, it's like a lot of 24-hour action around here. Now with COVID, obviously, curfews and things like that. Yep. Let's see what happens now with the vaccine, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully things will come back to normal in about a year or so, I hope. I don't want it to come back tomorrow, but I want it to come back soon. Anyway, girls, Puerto Rico has 78 towns. This is one of them. We're headed northeast. First part of the day. You guys are going to be...
Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy.
Back to the view. Very gorgeous. Very happy. Ziplining. Gorgeous. Wow.
Time you hit my phone and you say you need company. Oh, I'm a run-up on you. 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 I'm a run-up on you.
Maintain the back. So you want to slow down, remember, just slow down there. Adios. Move down, whoa, whoa. Don't let go of him.
You want to figure you a big deal.
Inside.
Gonna walk down the hill?
We got to fly down there.
I'm sorry.
All right.
Okay, we made it.
Go down with that car.
Okay.
Don't jump, please. All the bars.
Oh my god. Wait, Harper, you seeing everything.
Oh. Thank you. So guys, we're still ziplining and it's so fun, but it's really hot and I cannot breathe in my mask. I am out of breath, girl. This was a journey.
So fun, sorry, bro.
I'm really out of breath though. You know when you don't work out, this is too much. This showed us this really cool thing. Look, when you touch it, it closes. Do it again.
Over there.
Wow.
Beautiful, huh?
Yes.
Does it look so cool?
Done.
Maybe I need to hold on.
Around here is so healthy. Everything is green.
Yeah, it's
200 inches
beautiful.
of rain a year, and that area before.
How many
200
inches?
inches of rain a year, a little more.
Wow.
So, because that's the reason here is very humid.
Oh no.
If you have a chance,
Wait a minute. Oh, too many people on that side, guys. Come on. Yes. So guys, we finished doing the zip line and it was so much fun. Like the best thing I ever seen in my life. And the trees were speaking to me. Look, there's chickens outside. Anyways, everything is obviously so beautiful and I obviously can't get over it. So I think next time I come here, I will stay at one of those boutique hotels in the forest they have over here. But this time I'm getting city vibes. Guys, this is Rafi and he has locks. Now, see a lizard?
Carlito, píntame eso bonito.
Guys, this journey that I have been on is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Like, wow, this is beautiful. Yeah, we have all the tools. Yeah, we have papers. Pay attention. Wow. You know how many times I said wow today?
Yeah.
Because everything is so beautiful. Wow.
Okay, first weekend.
She said she got 3 beautiful ladies for him. I was including her. You couldn't have talked about me. Wow, guys, look at that. That is just gorgeous. Oh, you're close.
Stop.
We're actually leaving here in 30 minutes, so I would like to do a meditation for myself. But V's coming, so I'm gonna take a picture first. Is that a snake, Chi-Chi? This is honestly what life is about. Look at this beautiful bamboo in this tree. This beautiful view. The vibrations are just so good. And I just want to say I feel very blessed to be here right now. It's like a reward for everything that I went through in 2020. But this whole year is just going to be full of awards and surprises. It's beautiful. Apparently, this is where they cook here. Well, some people cook here in Puerto Rico. He said that they make stuff like stew and everything else.
Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you push me like a big boy.
So guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's let the sun hit me. Oh yeah, we are rich aunties already, for real. I just came to tell you guys that it's a new day. It's day 3, and honestly, time is going by so fast. I feel like I just got here an hour ago, but it actually, I don't know. I think I just don't want to go home. But it's been so fun so far. Right now, we're on our way to the beach, and then we're gonna probably head out to the old San Juan, and then we're probably gonna head out to the bar, and then we're gonna head out to dinner, and we're gonna take pictures, videos, and all that other stuff, I guess. And let me show you guys what I'm gonna be wearing to the old San Juan. I wanted to give the girls a Spanish look, but unfortunately I ran out of clothes too soon. So now we're gonna give the girls, I'm working out with this bag and these shoes. And also, I want to show you guys all of the film pictures that I took. And maybe at the end of the video, I'll scan them and put them in the video too. But you see, that's my problem. Always overachieving. That's why the video will never come out, because I want to do all the extras for what? I'll just show you later. And do you have anything to say to the vlog?
I don't want to leave.
Yeah, nobody wants to go home. Maybe I will make this my home, because they have $2 pizza. And guys, I forgot to vlog coming down the resort steps and whatever, but they had a bar around the pool, and honestly, that would have been so lit. And I'm so sad that they don't have it anymore. Like, how am I supposed to get a drink? Oh, everything looks so close. Guys, this is like the most beautiful trip I've ever had, and the most beautiful vibes I've ever felt. Just immaculate. Everything is just so beautiful. People running on the beach, me sitting here, the wind blowing, the waves, the jet skis. Life is good. Oh wait, I can't get copyrighted because Janae is behind me singing her life away. Of the old San Juan, and as I said before, it was beautiful. This whole vlog is just going to be me saying, wow, this is beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh my god, I just found a crystal shop, and I think, like, wow, let's look at it together. I just bumped into the shop here, and apparently they have crystals, because I seen the amethyst from across the way. Like, wow, look at this amethyst, guys. Literally gorgeous. So cool. I wonder how much it is. $1,750 for this amethyst. Gorgeous. I actually may get a crystal from here. Oh my god. OMG. I could probably get waist beads from here. Super excited. Check it out. Hello guys.
These are sold by weight.
OMG. Thank you.
If you like a basket, so at the
Okay.
end you weigh them, tell you how much it is, and you can choose the ones that you took, or you can change them for whatever.
Okay. So, oh, this makes me miss Pee-wee. On the way, hopefully we can find some sangria, because I would love to have some sangria right now.
Oh, go, keep going. The sunlight is right there.
Yeah. And walking up these hills, I'm not gonna lie, my legs can't take it. It's giving me Krusty Krab pizza. Having fun. And And still drinking $5 mojitos. Don't play with us. $5 mojitos. Kind of Puerto Rico if you would like to enjoy that. You can get some $5 Tito's. Oh no, they is lit over there. Well, the girls bought something from Pandora. Very expensive, exclusive.
Travel time.
Yeah. So when you go out, I think it's really cool when people have Pandoras and they have a story behind it. So each charm means something. And I also bought some crystal jewelry. I'm gonna show you guys a little later when we get back to the hotel. But that's also lit. But get into this restaurant. Love it. So beautiful. So we are getting our frozen sangrias.
Frozen.
Sangria?
No, I just have the frozen passoa. It's a passion fruit liquor.
The one that we had. The orange one, right? Is it like orange? Yellow?
Yeah.
Okay, how much is it?
$9.
I'll just have one.
$9 is that one.
Okay, I'll take it.
Take one.
Yeah, that's a real big cup though. So guys, we're back. Another drink.
No.
Gigi, you're not hungry. How you just... She's such a freaking liar, dude. How are you hungry? You just had an empanada. I'm hungry. I think she went down there. But we don't have to go. Do you guys want to go to like that? Want to go over there? This is exactly where we were actually earlier, Chi Chi.
Yes, we were.
Yeah.
The park is this
Yeah, the park is
way.
outside.
We should go to the park first and then call Uber. Because the sun is going down. Your own shit. You sound like conspiracy.
No.
It's not a conspiracy if it's true.
Okay, what makes it flat? What makes the earth flat? Let's ask that. What makes it like... This is not my vlog. It has to end like this. I didn't even tell everyone to Chris.
Yeah,